Did you know that Besan milk cake is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make? Stay tuned to discover how you can whip up this delightful treat in no time. Welcome back to Yummy Foodies. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a rich melt in mouth Besan milk cake perfect for festivals, celebrations, or just a sweet craving at home. Roast the besan. Switch on the stove to low medium heat. Add 1 cup ghee in a heavy pan. If you like it richer, add another half cup. Now add 375 grams of besan flour. Roast slowly for about 10 minutes, stirring continuously. The besan should turn aromatic and golden. This is the base of our cake. Switch off the stove. Add 3/4 cup milk powder and mix well. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Set this mixture aside to cool slightly. Preparing sugar syrup. Turn the stove back on to low medium heat. In another pan, add 1 cup sugar and half cup water. Preparing sugar syrup. It should feel slightly sticky, not watery. Cook on low medium flame until it reaches a sticky syrup consistency. Let's combine mixtures. Pour the sugar syrup into the roasted besan milk mixture. Combine mixtures. Turn the stove back on to low medium heat. Cook until the mixture thickens and leaves the sides of the pan, forming a ball-like texture. The mixture should not stick to the pan. Settings the cake. Transfer the mixture into the tin. Grease with oil and line with baking paper. Spread evenly. Decorate with chopped almonds, pistachios, and saffron strands for a festive touch. Let it set at room temperature for 3-4 hours. Once firm, cut into square or rectangle diamond. Watch the transformation from a simple roasted besan to a glossy, rich besan milk cake. And the secret lies in the milk powder, which gives it that creamy, sweet twist. And there you have it, a soft, nutty, aromatic besan milk cake that's sure to impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yummy Foodies for more festive treats. And tell me in the comments, will you try this cake for Diwali?